welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide last active in Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Bigo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen at the bottom, you're gonna see options like Live, Video, Go Live, Chat and Me. Tap on Me, then go to Settings from the top right corner of your screen. Now, under Settings, you're gonna have to select Privacy option, where the fourth option from the top will be Hide your recent active time. Go ahead and turn that option on, then you'll successfully hide last active in Bigo Live. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.